Hello guys, welcome back to another one. This is the second part of the teardown of Black Beauty Avante to trying to find out what happened with the engine. So we're gonna be removing all these parts and trying to see if it was the block that got damaged or if it was the head. Alright guys, so we already put water. This one is number 4, 1, 2, and 3. So second and fourth is not leaking water. But when you put water on the 3, we got one side that is good, but this side it drains. Let me show you. Okay. So that one is bad, and then on 1 is this side. So this head is bad. We're gonna flip it to see if the sauce part it got damaged. Alright, so the sauce, we got water, and then over here, we don't have no leaks. We're looking at this one. So, now this one, I got a little bit, but it's not that much. Oh, sorry, this is the intake, no sauce. And this one, but it's like really small. Alright, now we're gonna be checking the pistons to see if there's anything weird about it. and then if not, we're only replacing the head. Alright guys, so pistons are not that great. It's damaged over here and it's damaged over here and over here. This one is good over here, but that one, the valve, they touch, and in this one just barely. So we're trying to figure out if we're gonna be, what's the next step that we're gonna be doing. Alright guys, so what we're gonna be doing, which is gonna be a next part, we're gonna remove the transmission, we're gonna open the whole engine, and we're gonna check the bearings with the plastic gauge, because we think that the bearings from the rods, it got lower damage or something like that, that the piston went up more and it touched the head on it. So that's what we're gonna be trying to see what happened with it. Alright guys, see you in the next one.